Welcome to this comprehensive guide on tips for Zopa savings account. Zopa is a popular peer-to-peer lending platform that also offers savings accounts with competitive interest rates. To get the most out of your Zopa savings account, follow these steps. First, understand the different types of savings accounts offered by Zopa. They have fixed-term savings accounts and easy-access savings accounts. Fixed-term savings accounts offer higher interest rates, but you will need to keep your money locked in the account for the specified term. Easy-access savings accounts offer more flexibility but with lower interest rates. Next, consider the interest rates offered by Zopa. Their interest rates are competitive and can help your savings grow over time. However, interest rates can change, so it is essential to check the Zopa website for the latest rates. Another important tip is to take advantage of the tax-free savings options. Zopa offers tax-free savings accounts such as ISAs, which can help you save on taxes. This can be a great option for those who want to maximize their savings. It is also essential to understand the risks associated with Zopa savings accounts. As with any savings account, there is a risk that you may not get your money back. However, Zopa has a provision fund in place to protect savers in case of borrower default. To maximize your savings, consider setting up a regular savings plan. This can help you save a fixed amount of money at regular intervals. You can also consider using the Zopa app to manage your savings account and track your progress. Finally, always read the terms and conditions before opening a Zopa savings account. Understand the fees, interest rates, and risks associated with the account. By following these tips, you can make the most out of your Zopa savings account and achieve your savings goals. By providing competitive interest rates, tax-free savings options, and a user-friendly platform, Zopa savings accounts can be a great option for those looking to grow their savings. Remember to always do your research, understand the risks, and read the terms and conditions before opening a savings account. With the right knowledge and strategy, you can maximize your savings and achieve your financial goals.